This is the second time that I asked Emmaline to make a left turn at the following set of traffic lights. I gave her plenty of notice, and yet she still failed to slow down enough to get in to the double left turning lane. Right turn here.
Right here?
Yeah. We'll do a 3-point turn. They'll ask you, they'll say, just please pull it over safely to the right side of the road before they ask you to do a 3-point turn.
Yeah. Snowbanks are very long.
Yep. And then once you stop here, they'll ask you to do go through the procedure for a 3-point turn. So we'll do that. Go ahead. Turns into a 5-point turn.